What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm your girl Jalisa Shaveh. And in today's video, I am bringing to you a very special fashion haul. I was able to collaborate and work with Fashion to Figure to bring you guys this haul. Thank you so much, Fashion to Figure, for allowing me to share your products and working with me and collaborating with me on sharing your products on my YouTube and Instagram. It's just amazing to actually feel noticed and feel appreciated for your passions and your creativity without having lots and lots of followers. And Fashion to Figure seen the potential, and they were willing to work with me and collaborate on bringing this fashion haul to you guys today. All of the items showed will be in the description box. There are a lot of items on Fashion to Figure that sell out fast. I will post a link if they are still in stock. I apologize to you guys if the items that you're interested in are not in stock. Fashion to Figure has really bomb styles, and a lot of their styles sell out fast. So hopefully we can get enough rave about some of the items and they'll bring them back. And before we do, go ahead and hit that big subscribe button for me. Click that bell for notifications on when my next video is uploaded. And give my video a thumbs up if you like fashion hauls. Or if you like Fashion to Figure. Or if you're a plus size curvy girl who just likes clothes. So the first item is this really pretty puff sleeve wrap top. And you guys, it's a crop top, and let me say, I absolutely love it. More than anything, I love the fabric. It's really comfortable and it's very lightweight, so you can wear it without like getting overheated in it. So it's like super light, but it's very good quality fabric as well. I also love the sleeves on this crop top, you guys. It's so just cute. It like adds a special element to the piece without doing too much, but it still brings attention, you know, to the piece. You can wear this with any high-waisted pants, a pencil skirt. Like, it's good for office, it's good for date night, it's good for just like a day out. I just really, really do love it. And pink looks good on my skin tone, so that's another big like ooh about it, because I love the color. It's like a magenta hot pink, and it just looks really, really good on my skin tone. I chose a size 3, which is like a 3X in Fashion to Figure, and this is very true to size. It's like not too big, but just big enough. Like I'm in between a 2 and 3 on Fashion to Figure, and this one's just like a smidge, like it's comfortable. Let me say that, it's very comfortable. 3s are very comfortable for me. 2 is like perfect, but if I want a little breathing room, then I choose a 3 in Fashion to Figure. But other than that, it's very true to size, and I just love, love, love this shirt. So the next item are these Gabrielle Union Fashion to Figure cargo pants, and I think these were everybody's favorite pants because they're so cute. I love that they're army green. It's like a really true army green, so you could wear this with a camo jacket and the greens won't look, you know, off. I got these in a size 3, which again is like a little oversized for me, but it's also very comfortable. I wanted these to fit kind of loose and like saggy so that I can dress them up or dress them down. And they definitely look good when you dress them up. I dressed them with this pink, with the pink shirt that I just showed you, and they look really good together. It has a belt that comes with it, so you can tie a bow in the front or you can tie a bow in the back, which is really cute. I think my favorite part of these pants are not only do they have pockets on the front, they have pockets on the thigh, and also at the bottom of these pants they have like a wraparound that kind of cuffs the ankle, so it just adds that extra like element to it where it's like if you put heels on, it looks really good, doesn't cover up the heels. And you can also put tennis shoes on with these pants and it looks amazing. I'm 6 foot tall and these pants go all the way down to my ankles. So if you're shorter, these pants will be long on you. But the good part is, because of these wraparounds, you can cuff them and make them look like ankle pants, or even wear them as capris if they're too long. My favorite cargo pants now. I just love these pants. Alrighty, and my next item is this black dress. This dress is so beautiful. Like, there's a lot of good things about this dress. On the back, it has this ruffle patch here, which is just super cute. I think shirts and tops like this are just really different, and they're cute and they're old-fashioned, so they're coming back in style. So I love that it's on the back of the dress and not the front, because it just adds a different type of element. Has a zipper, and then it has like a little hook at the top. You can wear this dress like up on the shoulder, or you can wear it off the shoulder, which is super cute. The ruffles around the shoulder just give your shoulder more attention. And I love that they have ruffles like on each side in the front, because it gives your waist like a smaller appearance. Kind of just brings attention to elongating the body and not attention to like the waist area. It has slits like from the knee down, so I can put some leg out if I want to. This is gonna be perfect on the red carpet. It's just a really nice dress, and I absolutely love that this can be a dress worn to the beach, or it can be a dress worn on the red carpet. Like, that's what I go for when I'm looking for clothes. Like, how many times can I wear this and make it look different? How can I dress it up different and get as many styles as possible? Because clothes are expensive, and you want to be able to buy clothes and get a lot of different wears out of them. I'm not a buy one, wear one type of girl. Like, if I buy something, I like to switch it up a lot and make it look different and really get my money's worth out of it. Like, I'm gonna wear it as many times as possible, but dress it up every time. But yeah, this dress is really pretty. So I chose the size 2 in this dress, and it fits perfect. I think a 1 would have been too small and a 3 would have been too big. So I am definitely a 2 to 3 in fashion to figure, depending on what items it is. But this is a very true to size dress. If you have similar body type like mine, a 2 will be perfect because of the fit. It has room to stretch in the waist, but it also hugs the body like up top around the boob area and in the shoulders. So definitely a 2 in fashion to figure dresses. I got the lingerie set, the white lace lingerie set. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be wearing this out like all summer long. So cute. I got a size 3X. You guys, I never have found lingerie that actually fits me and I like how it looks on me. I barely wear lingerie. This is only like my 3rd set of lingerie, but this one has to be my favorite. I know the couple that I bought before, like the lace was already ripping when I put it on, which is very low quality, and this is very good quality. I love that the bra has 2 layers, so you don't have to even wear like nude patches under this part, because there's fabric behind the front that actually just kind of camouflages the nipple area. And I also really love how the strings are adjustable, so if you have bigger boobs, you can adjust it to fit more. You can wear it tighter. And I really absolutely love how this like doesn't just stop right under the boob. It actually goes down a little bit under the breast, so you can wear it as a crop top. It doesn't just have to be a bra and it looks like a bra. Like, you could actually wear it as a crop top. And once again, that means you get multiple wears out of it. You can wear it as a crop top, you can wear it as like a undergarment, you can also wear it as a bra. This is a size 3X. It fits perfect. Like, it fits under my arms like really, really good. And it also came with a pair of lace panties. Aren't these super cute? Alrighty, it's denim season, jean season. I love jeans. It's really hard to find a good pair of jeans if you're tall and you're plus size and you have no ass. Just saying, you know, it's okay, girl. Embrace your little booty. That's me all day. I'm team little booty, no booty sometimes. These jeans though, they make me feel good about not having no booty. Like, I mean, you're wonderfully made. Like, maybe it's a good thing that you don't have a big butt. Like, it's okay. You don't have to have a big butt, you know. I'm still pretty in the face, you know. So who cares about the butt? I forgot exactly what these jeans are called, but they have like the ripped, bitten off bottoms, which is actually why I chose them, because they're so cute on, you guys. I love how these jeans are cut off at the bottom, and they're not like a straight cut off. Like they have this edge to them where they're kind of like, it looks like somebody literally bit your jeans, and it's just so cute. I love the ridges of it. These are also like faded jeans. I also really love how these jeans are very good quality. Like, they're good quality jeans. They fit amazing. So in jeans, I'm a size 16, 18 usually. But in fashion to figure, if I want to wear them high-waisted, I get an 18. And if I want to wear them like low-rise, then I get a 16. Alrighty, and my last fashion to figure item. This is my fashion statement. These jeans are like my key. I know I said that about a lot of items from fashion to figure already, but I really like these. I really like them because they're just my style. I like to just throw them on with everything. These are the overall jeans, y'all. Where do I even begin? Okay, first of all, they're high-waisted, of course. So high waist is a big check mark for me. I can wear high-waisted pants all day because I love crop tops. Crop tops and high waist, like, perfect, right? So I picked up a size 20 in these, and they're a little too big. I should have gotten an 18, but the 18s were sold out. So, hey, I went up a size, and they're a little bit too big around the butt area, but they fit really perfect because the straps, like if the pants had been smaller, the straps would have been too tight, if that makes sense. So going up a size actually didn't hurt me at all. They have this really cute jean belt that is like connected. You can't take the belt off, I don't think. Oh, you can take the belt off. So you can even take the belt off and wear a different kind of belt. I really love that these overalls have these two big buttons in the front. Like, that's so cute. It just adds a different attention to the waist, and you can cinch the waist, and I just think that's really cool that you can do so many different things to an outfit and make it look totally different. The overall belts are also adjustable, and you can remove them. So they have this button like in the back where you can completely take the overalls off, and you don't even have to wear them as overalls. You can wear them just as the balloon pants. And they have pockets. Y'all, they got pockets. Popeye's receipts. Alrighty, y'all, that is all the pieces that I have from Fashion Figure to show you today. It is definitely not the last Fashion to Figure haul, so next time I will upload my video faster so that you will have access to purchasing more items from Fashion to Figure before they're sold out. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch. I really hope that you enjoyed this Fashion to Figure haul / lookbook. And again, thank you so much, Fashion to Figure, for sponsoring these clothes for this video. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Like, I can't say it enough. I'm so excited that I get to grow with you guys and really just create all of this wonderful content with amazing, wonderful clothes. And also make my closet a lot more wonderful. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that all of my divas shop Fashion to Figure. Thank you guys for coming to watch, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.